Video editors can be incredibly expensive, and learning complex software feels like mastering a completely new language. But what if I told you that you don't actually need to be a professional editor, or hire one to pump out high-quality clips? With the latest AI tools, creators can do the heavy lifting themselves, and I promise, it doesn't have to be a painful process. Today, I'm sharing the tools and tricks I've been using, specifically focusing on how Vizard acts as a massive time saver for turning long-form content into snackable clips. There are a ton of AI tools out there, and names like RunwayML and Riverside keep popping up in every creator conversation. Runway is absolutely amazing for hands-on visual edits, especially when you need to remove things from your background. Its inpainting tool is a total game changer. You simply upload a clip, highlight the distraction, and watch it vanish. That clean background look is essential if your filming setup isn't perfectly polished yet. Runway also handles background replacement effortlessly, letting you drop in any virtual environment you can imagine. You can even fake a shallow depth of field, keeping your subject sharp while the background melts into a professional blur. It's sleek, visual, and honestly feels like magic for those single-shot fixes you need to make. But here is the catch. Runway is very much an editor's tool, built for pixel-level cleanup rather than high-volume content production. It's not designed to take a 2-hour podcast and auto-turn it into 50 ready-to-post clips with captions. Riverside, on the other hand, is the undisputed champion of remote recording for podcasts. If you need broadcast-grade recordings from separate locations, Riverside delivers separate tracks and high-quality audio every time. Its editor has clever features too, like automatic silence removal and background noise reduction for those annoying AC hums. It's great for podcasters who want to avoid the headache of post-production fiddling. But even Riverside has its limits, especially when you need to turn a single episode into dozens of platform-ready clips. If your goal is actual growth, the workflow still feels fragmented unless you stitch all these tools together properly. That's where Vizard steps in, and why I'm recommending it to creators who want to scale their output. Vizard's magic is that it is built specifically to find the best moments in a long video automatically. The 3 pillars that make Vizard stand out are auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and a centralized content calendar. When you use auto-editing, the AI scours your footage for emotional peaks, laughs, and topic shifts. It exports them as ready-to-post videos with optimized crops and suggested captions. I used to spend a whole afternoon finding 10 clips, but Vizard does it in just a few minutes. Then there is the auto-schedule feature, which takes the chore out of manually queuing your posts. You simply set your posting frequency and preferred platforms, and the system handles the rest. The content calendar is the single place to see everything, from queued clips to final approvals. It keeps the chaos out of your content operations and makes consistency actually sustainable. To be clear, Vizard doesn't replace tools like Runway or Riverside, it just handles the distribution gap. If you need pixel-perfect object removal, keep using Runway and use Riverside for those high-quality remote recordings. But for the 80% of creators whose main pain point is scaling their output, Vizard handles the end-to-end grind. Here's the workflow I recommend. Record with Riverside, upload to Vizard, and let the AI do the chopping. Vizard provides multiple crops for different platforms, meaning you have Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts in one go. Pro tip, use the transcription search to quickly find specific topics or keywords in your timeline. You can also easily style your captions, which is vital because people consume so much content on mute. Don't stress about making every single clip perfect because algorithms reward cadence and consistency above all else. Pricing-wise, consolidating your stack with a tool like this often saves money on hiring extra editors. Audiences respond to short clips that have a clear hook and fast, engaging pacing. Vizard nails this by focusing on conversational peaks, the reactions, jokes, and strong statements. Pair that with an eye-catching thumbnail, and you've got content that performs without the editing grind. So, keep your specialty tools, but let Vizard own the chop and deploy process. If you try this workflow, drop a comment or a DM and tell me what surprised you the most. Whether it's the time you've saved or the volume of clips you're suddenly outputting, I want to hear about it. Catch you in the next one, and go get those clips out there.